Well, up it may be 2, 6 in the morning because it's been an hour and my phone is actually dying because of how the whole neighborhood actually has no electricity. I just want to say, my phone turned off while I'm filming because my charger has problems charging in. See that? There's a little pink one. Can't really see it. But the thing is that I just want to share this, especially where I've been going through, and I know I've been hated a lot throughout YouTube. Like, a lot of people hate my guts, and they probably will stay that way for years. But if I can actually just zoom in, I don't know what's the temperature. I can't check because this electricity, my phone is dying. I'll try to watch a Let's Play some Kirby just to pass time on my phone, but my phone, damn it won't charge. Forget it. But if you can actually see over there, basically, being a construction worker has to be a very hard job, and I don't know how they're doing this for such a cold temperature. At least for us Phoenicians, it gets very cold during the winter. It may seem like the mid 40s, and I think maybe like the mid 60s is nothing, or the upper 60s. It's really cold for us, and they are working their ass off just trying to get the power line to actually work. I don't know how long they've been working on this for, because I remember talking to the police officer over there. She's very sweet. That told me that they're supposed to have the electricity working an hour ago, but they're doing their best, especially in this cold weather. So I just wanted to share this because, honestly, that just let you know, people that work for construction, they're one of the best people on earth because they have to risk their life just to actually, one, like, making sure that people actually survive by getting their electricity fixed. Two, this remaking, or I'm gonna say this, we pavement the streets, I can't say the word for it, and this basically this like repairing buildings and whatnot. That's, you can get yourself killed for doing that. They need to get paid a lot of money for that, honestly. Because my brother, my oldest, he used to be, I think when he was 17, he used to do construction for like a year, I think. Like, when me and my older brother and twin were little boys, of course. And if you can see that up there, it's better be turning off. Because it's the last time I can film, and then I might go to sleep until the electricity turns on. Okay, there we go. So I had to hold my charger because they won't hold it. It's at 36% right now. Jeez, that's a hard job. It makes me scared to be up there. If you're afraid of heights, definitely don't be a construction worker. I don't recommend it. Because they gotta do the job right. They gotta make sure that the power lines actually, like, connect well. You know, with the, basically with, like, the rest of the, you know, the telephone towers. I can't explain it. I don't know too much about this stuff, but it's a hard job. Now, I know I can't really show much of the neighborhood, but see? It's pitch black, right? You can't see nothing. And people are freezing too, but they're working their ass off doing this for us. I think the temperature is about like 53, I think. Well, actually, it's okay. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. It's probably like 48, maybe? I don't know exactly. It's probably like in the upper 40s. I'll probably put a description if I can ever check. At least maybe later in the morning or whenever it can come back on. Because it doesn't get cold. Or the coldest hour today is like around, I think, 5 or 6. So it has to be like 48 degrees, I think, right now. Or at least 50.